What's up guys, I'm watching another video. I'm sure you guys can guess what we're doing today, but we're going to another car meet, bro. Another day, another car meet. I personally am getting bored of car meets, I'm not gonna lie. But I've asked you guys before in the past, do you guys like the car meet vlogs? And a lot of you guys say yes, so I'll keep making some car meet vlogs. Today should be a pretty cool meet though. I think it's at a BMW dealership. So maybe while we're there, we'll see if they have any cool BMWs for sale or something. Maybe like an F80 or G80, I don't know. Maybe go car shopping today, bro. As you guys know, I am looking for a BMW. I'm trying to find the right one though. I thought about getting a G80, I'm not gonna lie, but they're very, very expensive right now. And I think in order to get a G80, I'm gonna have to get rid of the GTR 100%. Right now, G80s are going more than GTR prices, bro. It's crazy. I feel like I can't make myself pay over $100,000 for a BMW, bro. I just can't do it, but maybe if I can find like a good deal. But realistically, what I really want to do is just get an F80 so I can hopefully keep both cars. That would be like the goal. But anyways, we're gonna head to this car meet right now. Kevin's there already. A couple other homies with BMWs. And it's a big ass BMW event and I'm bringing my GTR again. Now I'm always the only one that's not in a BMW, bro. It's kind of sad. But we're gonna head there right now. We're about 10 minutes away. Pretty long drive, bro. I drove like an hour already. We're actually like in Cop Central, bro. I feel like the cops down here, we're in Huntington Beach. The cops down here hate modified cars and hate modified exhaust. I'll see if I can find one, but they literally put up signs in the city that say no modified exhaust are illegal or something like that. Something about modified exhaust. So that's how you know they're really serious about it, bro. There's signs on all the streets and stuff like that. I actually got pulled over on this very street before. So we're gonna drive super quiet, not do anything crazy. I'm not gonna get pulled over today, I can't. But yeah, we're in the GTR today. I've been driving this thing like crazy recently. I've actually been putting way too many miles on this car, bro. But we out here. My car is super dirty. Some of you guys pointed out my mirror in the last video. I know guys, my car is filthy, bro. Look at it. I just drive it a lot. It does not sit in the garage all day. We made it. There's already a ton of BMWs. I gotta show you guys this one that I saw coming in. It looks just like my car, bro. But look, we parked right next to this E46, M3, M4. All the Beamers, bro. I love BMWs, guys. I'm always gonna be a BMW guy. I swear. I love this thing. This thing's so much fun to drive. I don't regret it at all. But something about BMWs, guys. We got the homie Jason here. It's E92. That's supercharged, HRE wheels. You guys have seen this one before. E46. Clean. But look at this thing, guys. It's literally, it feels like I'm looking at my car again, bro. We had the same headlights, same front lip, same color. I wonder if this is wrapped. It is wrapped. This might be the exact same color that my car was. I had like a Dragonfire red, and this looks like the exact same red. It literally looks like my car, bro, when I look right here. There's no way. Except he has some Conce wheels, which is really sick. These are actually the wheels that are on Hugo's car right now. That came off of my E46. Damn, look, here's his Instagram if you guys want to see it. Clean ass car, bro. I love it without the wing too. That looks really clean. For some reason, I've been liking BMWs without the spoiler. It reminds me of mine so much with the bag setup, same side skirts, same front lip, same color, same headlights. It's so sick. Damn, I miss this thing. We made it. We made it into the meet, guys. So many BMWs, dude. Beautiful E36. Damn, look at the E46. Wow, bro, this thing is wild. Look at this body kit, bro. Look at the tires on this thing. That's for real like a race car, huh? This is for real race car, bro. HRE wheels. Crazy. Oh my god, bro. Look at the steering wheel. This is insane, bro. Almost like my E46 a little bit. The cage is a lot crazier, which looks really sick. Look at that little, like, it's probably for the suspension, right? It almost reminds me of mine a little bit, bro. Like, we have like the same shifter, all white interior with the roll cage. It looks sick. Damn, this is crazy. It's just a race car, not really a drift car like mine, but still sick, bro. I actually wanted to do a headlight like this, like with the headlight duct, so you can see like my turbo. I had to do that side though. Oh shoot, this thing reminds me of mine so much. God, bro, I know you guys hate me. I know you guys hate when I say it, but dude, I really regret selling all my cars. Like, I wish I would have had this one still. I wish I had my 82 still. I'm so dumb. Oh shit, E30 M3 on some TEs. That's worth a lot of money right now.
Oh shit, wow.
All the BMW guys.
You brought the E92?
I brought the E92. It's somewhere over there. Guys, look at all these cars. Oh shoot, it's Daniel, bro. All the BMW homies are here. Hi Daniel, how are you? How are you? How are you? Well, you didn't bring your car? Your new one?
Not yet.
Why?
Yeah.
Okay. Guys, Daniel got a new G80 and it's beautiful, bro. I have not seen it yet, but
You have to go by the house and check it out.
I know, I have to go look at it. Well, stay tuned for that vlog because it's going to be sick.
Honestly, if you go, bro, I'll let you drive it.
I'm down. I swear I'll go. I'll go right now. Oh, shit. Look at Kevin. He said he's going to let me drive his G80.
If he goes. Come through.
We got Kevin's car, Daniel's car, all the homies, bro. All my friends still have BMWs, guys. It's just me that switched up. Isn't that sad? I just wanted to experience the GTR, but now that I experienced it, I've had the GTR for like 3 years now. Almost. Bro, we're actually coming up on 3 years with the GTR. Isn't that crazy? I want to get back into a BMW though. This thing is so sick. I see this one everywhere. All chrome. You can literally see me in the reflection. So sick. Would you guys wrap your car chrome? That would be crazy, huh? Look at the door panel. That is crazy. I wish I would have done that, bro. That's awesome. Look at the interior too. Full carbon fiber. Wow, there's so much carbon fiber, bro.
Like a lot.
That is crazy.
Well, I'm just waiting for the back because I got this piece coming in, which is the back side of it. And then
Oh, like the whole
yeah.
thing? Oh shoot, that's gonna be crazy. Yeah, this is sick. Kevin's car here. Looking stock as usual. I always mess with Kevin, bro. He needs to do more mods, dude. I want to see this thing lowered or with some new wheels. I don't know. Imagine this thing with like some TEs or something. Should look hard. But Kevin's M4 GTS, the homie Daniel. So this is what I was talking about. Daniel has this M4, guys. He had an M4 and he had an F80. Like both of these. He had both of those cars in his garage. But he sold his F80 because he ordered a G80, which we were talking about right now. And it got delivered the other day. And I want to go see it. You guys probably haven't seen it in Kevin's videos, but he got a G80 and it has like a center exit exhaust. It looks crazy. We're definitely have to go check it out for a vlog, but this is his M4. HRE wheels. Daniel has HREs on all his cars. I'm sure he's gonna get HREs on his G80. But yeah, super clean car, bro. He takes really good care of it, as you can tell. I wish I bought his F80 when he was selling it. I believe it was red on red too. I'm so stupid, I should have bought it. The other homie's G80, so sick. I like them, guys. I really do. Like, I really want one. Look at this on TEs. Tell me you guys don't like that. There's no way you don't like it, bro. I know everybody, like the front bumper and the front grille, everyone hated it at first, but I feel like it's growing on me. It doesn't look too bad. And you can even get like that Vorsteiner front grille where like it cuts it out. So it kind of makes it look better. But it's still sick, bro. And the interiors are beautiful. And it's like a brand new car. It's like luxury, but you still have like sport in it, you know? Those are sick. Don't think that's stock. But yeah, like look at the interior, guys. It's all digital dash, digital everything. Stick shift, bro, in like a 2022 car. Like that's crazy. Except I'd want the bucket seats, like the carbon bucket seats. These are the more comfortable ones, but I want the buckets. They're all carbon fiber. It looks pretty sick. Oh look, I think this one's for sale, bro. No way. Look at that M4. What would you guys say? You guys rather get an F80 or the new one? They're both clean. It's very hard to pick. But this one's for sale, look, 2022. And it's black. As you guys know, I want a black one. If I'm gonna get one, it's for sure gonna be a black. Red brakes, and I want red interior really bad, but this one's not bad. Oh, and it's stick shift. Uh-oh, how much is it? $94,000, guys. Everyone go right now and cop the merch at shopfindingnick.com. We gotta sell out all the merch if I want this car, guys. But yeah, I definitely want one of these. It's just the price is a little crazy, bro. I for sure have to sell the GTR. But would this be a good trade for the GTR, guys? Because I think I could sell my GTR for that price as well. So it'll be pretty much like an even trade for a G80. Is it worth it though? I don't know. Comment down below, guys. You guys think it's worth it? Trade the GTR for a G80? Or should I keep the GTR and get an F80 so I can have two cars? That would be cool. You know what I've never understood? How are motorcycles so loud and they could have loud ass exhaust, but us car guys can't? Like, why don't they get exhaust tickets, bro? I don't get it. Anyways, this is a beautiful F80, a perfect example of something that I would get. Everything is perfect, all black, red brakes, but I want red interior and the red bucket seats. Bet you if this had the bucket seats, it would for sure be 100K, because that option's a lot of money. 93,000, damn, bro, these things are a lot. $103,000 for an i8? I did not know these were that much. That's a lot of money, bro.
Look at that. Ready?
I don't know about that. I would not pay over 100K. I've been seeing this F80 everywhere. It's been in like my last 3 vlogs, bro, but this F80 is beautiful too. So much mods done to this thing, like it's actually crazy. You can see he has TE37s on it, 18s. So he has like that fat tire setup, which I love, bro. I love like the fat tire, the meaty setup. Then he has a carbon trunk, upgraded tail lights, crazy exhaust on it that does not look stock. Roll cage, obviously, really sick. He even changed out the seat belts, bro. Shift knob. That probably feels so crazy shifting, bro. Feels like a race car, I bet. This thing is crazy. It has a lot of work done to it. I'm sure it's built too. It's only Mark's car. This thing is sick too. You guys have seen this one before? I love this car, bro. Can you trade me already? Look at the fitment, bro. This dude is crazy. The poor fender, bro. It looks good though. It's freaking low, bro. Like this car is on the floor. Look at the front lift. I don't know how he drives it. It's literally on the floor. Looks good though. These things are sick, honestly. These trucks, hard, bro. I bet you it's gonna go lower. I knew it. How did I know? God damn, that shit is on the floor, bro. Literally on the floor. If only this was mine, huh? This looks like it would be all the homies and then Nick's M3 right there. Just because it's red. Guys, look at this thing. All black F80. Black is hard, bro. Black's definitely what I would want. Oh shit, this shit's gutted. Is it crazy or what? Oh my god, it's really gutted, bro. That's crazy. It looks good. That's tight. Damn, that thing is crazy. Alright guys, we're about to go grab some food with all the homies, all the BMW guys. We got Jason out here. So weird that I'm the only one not in a BMW, bro. We're really all with BMWs today. Just pretend I'm in a BMW, guys, okay? Pretend this is a BMW logo. This one's so clean. I love that BMW, bro. Sheesh. I don't know how Kevin's not scared to drive with no plates. I actually got a ticket on this street for no front plate. This dude has no front or back plates. Well, they almost crashed. Damn! What do you guys think about this wing on the G80? I think it's like the performance one. I think they come with that. I don't know. Some of them do. Pretty crazy. Looks very futuristic, bro. That has FindingNick written all over it, bro. I want that. I love the under tray diffuser, all carbon fiber. Shit's sick. Looking like some Skittles out here, bro. For sure, like a bag of Skittles. Well, it's crazy seeing all these G80s now. Like they're everywhere now. I've been seeing them a lot lately. Sick. This road, there's always sick cars. Look, Ferrari. There's always sick cars driving here. Look, another Ferrari back there. Damn. What you get, Kevin?
Start to question if that's actually bullet.
Huh?
That's a nice note.
You didn't get food?
Nah.
You got,
Can I have some of yours?
What'd you get? Nothing? Do you want some food?
Can I have you?
Do you need some money?
Huh?
You need some money?
I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see him.